In today's biomedical research, it is necessary to develop a technique which can effectively sense the presence of disease-causing molecules even at low concentration, for example pico to femtomolar concentrations or even single molecules, and can distinguish between various molecules present in the same biological background. This can be done by using the concept of surface-enhanced Raman scattering. Sensors based on the detection of Raman signal detect the chemical fingerprint of the molecule. Analysis of Raman signal leads to distinct detection as every chemical molecule produces a characteristic Raman spectra. The reasons for field enhancements due to SIRS are twofold: electromagnetic and chemical enhancement. The electromagnetic effect is dominant, the chemical effect contributing enhancement only of an order or two of magnitude. The electromagnetic enhancement is dependent on the presence of the metal surfaces, roughness features, while the chemical enhancement involves changes to the adsorbate electronic states due to chemisorption of the anylates. The enhancement of Raman signals due to the enhancement of electric fields due to the phenomenon of surface plasmon resonance, localized surface plasmon resonance or coupled plasmon resonance leads to the surface enhanced Raman scattering, which can be used for the detection of very low concentration of molecules, for example in sub-picomolar regime or even for single molecule detection. There can be various search substrates that can be used for enhancement. One of the possible designs that is exploited for simulations is the combination of two bimetallic spheres, gold-silver bimetallic shells with hollow core. It is practically feasible to chemically synthesize these particles by wet chemical methods where silver seeds are taken as the starting material and the replacement reactions are carried out thereafter. Therefore, the ease of fabrication of these nanoshells gives yet another viable reason for the choice as first substrate. This slide shows the electric field enhancement that is seen in between the gap between the two metallic spheres. It was found that as the gap between the nanoshells reduced from 20 to 5 nanometers, the enhancement increased substantially. This is because in reducing the spacing between the nanoshells with the incident phase, the attractive force between the two nanoshells increases, therefore causing field enhancements to increase.